Welcome to Smart Finance Investor. In our first video, we laid the foundation for our financial success. Today, we're diving deep into step 1, setting financial goals. This step is all about defining your destination, creating a roadmap, and charting a course towards your dreams. So, let's get started. Before we dive into the how, let's understand the why behind setting financial goals. Having clear and well-defined goals is like having a compass that guides us through the ups and downs of our financial journey. It gives us purpose, direction, and motivation to make sound financial decisions. Step 1. Define your goals. The first step in setting financial goals is to define them. Take some time to think about what you truly want to achieve financially. Start by asking yourself some fundamental questions. 1. What are your short-term goals? These could be anything from paying off credit card debt to taking a vacation. 2. What are your medium-term goals? These typically span a few years and might include buying a house or funding your child's education. 3. What are your long-term goals? Think retirement, financial independence, or leaving a legacy. As you answer these questions, make sure your goals are SMART specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This acronym will help you create goals that are clear and actionable. Step 2. Prioritize your goals. With your goals in hand, it's time to prioritize them. Not all goals are equal, and you may not be able to tackle all of them at once. Rank your goals based on their importance to you and your financial situation. Remember, focusing on one or two goals at a time can prevent overwhelm and increase your chances of success. However, make sure you're not ignoring other essential aspects, such as building an emergency fund or saving for retirement. Step 3. Attach time frames. Now, let's attach time frames to your goals. Setting deadlines makes your goals more tangible and helps you track your progress. For example, instead of saying, "I want to buy a house someday," say, "I will save $X amount for a down payment within 3 years." Be realistic with your time frames. While it's good to challenge yourself, setting unattainable deadlines can lead to frustration and disappointment. Step 4. Write it down. Writing down your financial goals is a powerful step. When you put pen to paper, your goals become more concrete, and you're more likely to commit to them. Consider creating a vision board or a dedicated financial journal to keep your goals visible and in focus. Additionally, sharing your goals with someone you trust, a partner, friend, or financial advisor. They can provide you with support, encouragement, and a sense of accountability. Step 5. Visualize your success. Visualization is a potent tool that many successful individuals swear by. Close your eyes and imagine yourself achieving each of your financial goals. Picture the joy, the sense of accomplishment, and the positive impact it will have on your life. By visualizing success, you are programming your mind to stay focused and determined, even when challenges arise. Step 6. Review, track, and adjust. Financial goals are not set in stone. As life evolves, your goals may need adjustments. Regularly review your progress, celebrate your achievements, and make any necessary changes to stay on track. Also, remember that circumstances may change, and that's okay. Adjusting your goals doesn't mean failure. It means being adaptable and responsive to life's twists and turns. Congratulations, smart finance investors. You've just taken a significant step towards financial success by setting clear and meaningful goals. To summarize how to set your financial goals, we discussed the following steps. Define your goals. Start by clarifying your short-term, medium-term, and long-term financial objectives. Ensure your goals are smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. Prioritize your goals. Rank your goals based on their importance and focus on one or two at a time to avoid overwhelm. Attach time frames. Set deadlines for each goal to make them tangible and track your progress. Write it down. Put your goals in writing to solidify your commitment and consider sharing them with someone you trust. Visualize your success. Use visualization exercises to see yourself achieving your goals, reinforcing determination. Review, track, and adjust. Regularly review your progress, celebrate achievements, and be open to adjusting goals as circumstances change. Remember, the journey doesn't end here. In our next video, we'll explore Step 2, creating a budget that works. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell, so you don't miss any of our valuable content. As always, I'd love to hear from you. Share your financial goals in the comments below, and let's support and motivate each other on this exciting journey. Until next time, stay financially savvy and keep investing in your brighter future. See you soon.